Hari yang
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat sore guys semuanya guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat sore guys semuanya guys. Sabar ya adik-adik. Udah epic 2 sih gua. Emang epic 2 ya. Apa ini? Graffiti bro. Let's go, kita push. Target legend dulu gak sih? Oh iya, ada MPL hari ini ya. Ini menarik nih guys sebenarnya guys. Karena di patch baru ya kan, dan juga map baru ya, map. Jadi menurut gua gameplay itu tergantung map nggak sih? Gue belum nyobain yang awan sih guys. Hero baru apa deh, hero baru? Oh ini MM ya. Kita mid lane di sini bro. Langsung saja Lancelot lagi OP banget langsung. Si Tamus bro. Oke, kita main roaming guys. Ini baru 5 lu. Kurang ajar, dia baru 5 bro. Nggak apa-apa. Franco kita di ban ya, apa ya? Ini dikarenakan banyak rumput ya. Kita tukar lagi guys, nggak jadi roaming. Kalea dia.
Ready. Give me a target. Please pick a hero.
Midnya dia nongol. Enakan sih main bus ya, karena banyak rumput kan.
My tail's been itching for a real fight.
Kita kasih Sapphire dulu dah, kasih yang terbaik dulu dah.
The choice is
Enemy is
mine.
picking.
Enakan main di bus ini guys, main HBD guys. Karena kan rumputnya nambah kan. Katanya MPL makin map ini juga ya, map random gini ya. Semakin seru sih strateginya bro.
Harley is my most trusted partner.
Kita jangan mengecewakan Wildan. Karena si Wildan udah ngalah ya guys ya. Sebenarnya gue tadi gue ngalah sih sebenarnya. Oh, canggihnya text speed dia, oke. Groknya pakai Master Assassin. Dia juga Master Assassin ya, untuk solo kayaknya berat nih. Lebih sakit dia. One-one-nya ini Bargain Hunter. Kali ya. Oh, Master Assassin juga dia, guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Ini buat kalian yang nyariin ini ya.
All troops deployed.
Ada di kontrol, terus kita ke paling bawah ya guys ya. Ini dia guys, pergeseran
Light
penargetan.
forever
Tuh.
shines upon my cloak. It took me 10 years
Enemy
to see the
missing.
truth.
Okay.
Santai.
Come closer.
Enemy missing. Understood.
Higher ups. Just a bunch
Untuk
of
nge-clear sih kalah sih, gue udah jelas sih. Tapi dia kalau nafsu gini juga mati sih. Ais ngelek bro.
guys can fool my eyes.
Bentar gue nyalain ini dulu.
Tough enemies, I don't fear.
Request backup. Request backup. Understood. First blood. Great play. You have slain an enemy. Is ready.
Nggak bisa bro.
Just a tiny
Enemy
break.
reached level 4.
Come close.
Slain.
Nah tau gitu mending buat bawah tadi ulti gue. Tuh kan,
Gather at the
bawahnya
turtle.
kalah guys.
Enemy battle spell on seed. Enemy reached level 4. Enemy reached level 4. Enemy has slain the turtle. Ally has been slain.
Come close.
Slain. Solo kill.
Biarin kasih dia nge-kill guys. Kalau bisa sih kita buat ulti bawah aja ya. Mananya boros banget bro.
To where the path started.
Request backup. Understood.
Mr. Combust.
Initiate retreat.
Heretics. How daring of them to utter that
Ally has
word.
been slain. You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Request backup. Okay. Request backup. Understood. Gather at the turtle. Understood.
Combust.
Killing spree.
Guys, ini gue dipukulin lo guys.
Enemy battle cell on CD. The enemy has slain the turtle.
Nah, di retri. Pada nafsu banget sama si ini ya.
Initiate retreat. Your team is our turret is under attack.
Show continues.
Nggak kenal lagi.
Will atone for what they did, one way or another.
Our turret has been
Ravens. Obnoxious. Combust.
unstable network.
One day, you'll stop searching for someone. Combust.
Set di. Wuih. Kita beli sepatu ini aja ya.
An enemy has been slain.
Satu cooldownnya dah. Sekarang tuh nggak bisa beli roaming ya guys ya kalau ini guys.
Backup. Understood. Launch attack.
Funny how they label things they don't understand. Higher up. Just a bunch of hypocrites.
Shut down. Enemy decimate. An enemy has been slain.
Beckoning. Ravens. Obnoxious.
Lah. Lah, mabuk dia.
The enemy has slain the turret is under attack.
Nah, dapat asis gua, bro.
Your team destroyed a turret.
sakit juga groknya ya. Angkat aja bro.
Killing spree. Initiate retreat. Understood.
Come bust.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Mapnya bukanlah kocak.
Keep an eye on the map. Watch the bushes for ambush.
Meet your combust.
Launch attack. Understood. Mega kill. Solo kill. That was amazing.
Come bust.
Launch attack. Understood.
It took me 10 years to see the truth. Come bust. Light shows no mercy.
Gas aja yuk. Gas.
Launch attack.
Light forever shines upon me. Come bust. Come bust.
Unstoppable.
Come bust.
Slain
One day,
Lord.
you'll stop searching for someone's life. Didn't even break a sweat.
Mati dia.
An enemy has
Tenang aja guys. Tenang aja guys. Gocek-gocek manja dulu ya kak.
Come bust.
you have slain an enemy.
Tenang aja bro.
Initiate retreat.
Just the time.
Okay. Initiate retreat. Okay.
Sabar dulu le. Sabar le.
No disguise can fool my eyes. Except that one time.
Mundur dulu le ya kan.
Killing spree.
Tenang aja. Tenang. Tenang. Tenang.
Destroyed a turret. Monster kill.
Aduh hilang bro.
Your team destroyed a turret.
They will attempt what they did.
Ally has
Or another.
Udah pakai flicker lagi bro.
destroyed a turret. Mega kill.
Pathetic.
I'm low on HP.
Come bust.
Sabar guys ya. Mundur lagi.
Perfect shot.
Come bust.
Coy. Coy, tulung. Tulung, mantap. Yellow, mantap lele. GG Gaming.
Victory!
Gila, VP-nya keren ya.
This time, the choice is mine.
Kita nge-carry bro. Bedanya carry sama sama apa? Bukan MM, Godland ya. Nggak ada yang mau ikut kah teman-teman gue nih? Ya udah. Ini skin kah 80 apa tuh? Nah ini expand, ini apa ya? Ini gue nggak paham yang ini nih, yang apa?
Is banning.
Sungai-sungai ini ya? Oh sungai itu diperluas ya?
Please ban a hero.
Opsi dia nggak sih bro? Kimi tuh di nerf apaan sih
The
dia?
enemy is picking.
Dia nggak di nerf kan, di adjust bro, adjust.
They call me a hero because I
Your
saved my
team is
nation
picking.
from falling apart.
Test. Alpha is online. I do what I
Enemy
want
is
to do.
picking. Payback time.
Muscle of iron.
Please
Bones of
pick a
steel.
hero.
Kimi lah, apalagi udah.
Calm and cool, just like ice.
No one can escape my iron.
Feeling gue bakal di geng mulu sih guys. Kita pakai ini gak sih? Oh, sabar. Kalau di ST kita pakai item bargain hunter ya, buat apa ya, diskon sih, biar cepet jadi tuh ituan. Sebenarnya 5% doang diskonnya ya.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
Your team is picking.
Welcome to the greatest magic show of all time.
Kenapa nggak Hylos ya? Hylos enak sih kalau nggak salah. Kayaknya Hylos buat lawan Gatot enak ya. Gue waspada sama Parseanya sih.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Oh, jadi area ini tuh nambah kecepatan ya, bro.
Deployed.
Here comes the firepower. Victory's on me.
Ini pasti dia berdua mulu nih. Oh, dia bargain hunter juga, bro.
I shall change the world as I see fit.
First blood.
No worries. We got this.
Kenapa jadi dia yang ini ya? Nggak clear ya? Gue harus bisa jaga jarak sih.
Ally has been slain.
Sabar guys, kita beli ini dulu guys.
Launch attack. Okay.
Enemy reached level 4.
Ally has been slain.
I'm low on HP. Enemy reached level 4. Enemy battle spell on CD.
Kagak ada yang mau ngeliat mah apa ya?
Is not.
Enemy reached level 4.
Kotok apa matanya ya?
Ally has been slain.
All units, Kimmy's back in the fight.
Aduh, begini banget giliran gue make Godland, bro.
An enemy has been slain.
My greatest accomplishment.
Reached level 4.
Making Papa proud, of course.
Enemy reached level 4.
My unit's always complaining about being left behind. Maybe I
Ini udah
should
level
be
4 gelo. Aduh, dikit lagi guys.
Ally has been slain.
I think it's time
Alah,
to
udah
get
kalah di semua lane. Minimal maksimal GB-in dulu gak sih gua? Aduh, dia berdua juga.
Request backup.
Understood.
Request backup.
Dia belum level 4 guys.
Okay. Request backup.
Understood.
Gimana
We
caranya
make the
gue bisa
impossible
ngekill?
possible.
Enemy rampage. An enemy has been slain. We're behind in gold.
Wonder if Eruditio has any new tech for me to play with. Field test.
Enemy unstoppable.
I'll let my blaster do the talking. I won't accept anything short of
Ally
absolute.
has been slain.
Epic outplay. Great play.
My unit's always complaining about being left behind. Maybe I should go easy on the thrusters. Hey, enemy, my special plane just for you. Dodge this.
Gua 1 lawan 1 bro. Ulti mulu di sini.
Rampage.
Ini nggak dapet XP ya? Pinter nih.
Watch the bushes for ambush. Wonder if Eruditio has any new tech. Get back and fight. Hey, a supply drop.
Gather up the turtle. Understood.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Our turret has been destroyed. Fighting. Killing spree.
Failure is not an
Ah,
option.
pusing lah udahlah. Suren lah.
Hang in there.
Our
Kenapa nggak
turret has been
ke atas ya bro?
Enemies back in the fight.
GB-in dulu gitu loh.
Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy dominated. Enemy double kill.
Scarlet turret is under attack.
Superb damage.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Double kill.
I'm low on HP.
I'll make them all look up to me one day.
Enemy triple kill.
Get back and fight. Only room for two. Sorry.
Hang in there.
Ya dia pengen ngehit gua tuh.
Blast off.
gimana caranya comeback ya?
Request backup. Gather up the Lord. Okay. Enemy has
Masalah itu
slain
kalau dari awal dia udah ke atas itu guys, enak guys ngepresnya kan.
legendary. Double six. Our turret is under attack. One day. Your team has get back and fight. Our turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Attack enemy lord.
Alhamdulillah.
Our turret has been destroyed. My greatest honor. Making the whole turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been defeated. Your turret is under attack. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our base is under attack. Dodge this. Your inhibitor turret is under attack. Enemy double kill.
Bisa nih comeback nih, serius.
Get back! Turret is under attack. My unit's always complaining about being left behind.
Anjay, sakit banget bro.
Attack!
Dari awal kalau ke atas enak itu.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Wah, ragu guys.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. I think it's time to get serious. Our turret has been destroyed. Our base is under attack. Enemy is not.
Gilo aku nih, gilo. Andai aja ke atas bro. Waktu nggak bisa berulang kembali. Ya udahlah. Kita ganti game aja guys. Itulah ya nggak enaknya.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Gue udah berapa laga ini bro? Kayaknya harus semua laga nggak sih ini?
inside the final quarter of an hour now. Steven Gerrard, Bruno Fernandes. Considerable momentum, courtesy of Ronaldo. Could reduce the deficit. Chance maybe. Just the clearance that was needed. David Ginola. He took care of it defensively. Maldini. Edwin van der Sar.
Edwin van der Sar.
Well, really, you've got to say Barcelona in cruise control here, Stuart. Your reflections on their performance.
Yeah, clearly the better side. Obviously,
And that is that. The final whistle is sounded, and it's a victory for Barcelona. What did you think of their performance?
well, fairly comfortable at the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle.
Tiga kali berarti semuanya. Kali berapa itu? 3 kali 6 kan?
And Barcelona get ready for their set-piece routine, hoping to increase their lead. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one.
Edwin van der Sar.
Just to let you know, the Woodstock is open after today's game. If you'd like to get your tickets for the next game or club merchandise.
Edson Alvarez. And scope for them to produce something exciting. A quarter of an hour remaining here. David Ginola. And it might be. Oh, it's a terrific challenge. Well, Barca have the ball once more.
Well, these Barca fans are certainly playing their part here. The noise inside this stadium has been incredible. Surely they're going to hang on now.
Park. Edwin van der Sar. And there we have it, the final whistle. It goes into the history books as a defeat for Mexico. Stuart, how would you sum up their performance?
Well, Derek, certainly not their best performance.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 guys. Total 21. Tapi cepet sih nih, udah menit 70 guys. Tinggal oper ke kiper aja nih, diemin aja udah kiper.
Pineda. Alvarez now. Edwin van der Sar.
Well, just listen to the noise.
Begini aja udah nih, kalau udah di atas 70 menit mah.
Over the finish line, and there's not long left now.
Yang penting skornya udah ini ya, udah nambah. Menang kita lah. Kalau udah menang gini aja udah.
Well, not long to go now. Can Barcelona preserve the victory?
Yeah, just about edging it overall. It's been a really tight game, hasn't it? Chances are...
And the final whistle has sounded. The end of the
Selesai
game
kan?
here, a win for Barcelona. The fans are going to be happy about that.
Well, Derek, they didn't dominate the game by any means today, but overall they had the better of the chances and just about deserved their win.
So a corner to Barca as they try to press home their advantage. 30 minutes left for play. And there's the clearance, and that'll be a corner. Might still be able to do a bit of damage. Pavel Nedved. Edwin van der Sar.
A reminder that the stadium is a family-friendly environment and only soft drinks can be taken down to your seat. Thank you for your cooperation.
And into the last 15 minutes of action. Virgil van Dijk. And on to Capdevila. Van Dijk with it. Gianluca Zambrotta. Edwin van der Sar. Capdevila. Virgil van Dijk.
Well, just listen to the noise in here. These Barca fans are doing everything they can to get their team over the finish line, and there's not long left now.
Capdevila. Now with Maldini. Textbook closing down, and now they're on the attack. Fratesi. Chance here. He needed to get there and did, but still the possibility. And a confident clearance.
The sports official has indicated there will be a
Wondering about
minimum
stoppage
of
time.
1 minute,
1 minute to
of
be
added
added
time.
on. And a tidy ball. And the final whistle, it's a defeat for Italy. Not the outcome their fans were hoping for. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, Derek, it was a hard-fought contest which neither side completely dominated, but the result will certainly hurt them. They need to bounce back next time out.
Oke lagi, jadi cukup sekian dulu guys ya. Dikarenakan udah sejam, aturan tadi 3 game kita mulai ya, karena kalah males gue guys. Jadi terima kasih banyak buat kalian yang udah nonton video ini sampai habis, yang udah nonton live ini sampai habis, atau yang udah nonton replay juga terima kasih banyak ya guys ya. Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya guys. Semoga kalian panjang umur, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu, dan banyak rezekinya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mohon maaf bila ada salah kata guys. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Bye bye.